here at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, where Huawei has officially launched the Matebook X Pro, which is the upgraded version of the Matebook X laptop launched last year. The Pro has a few upgrades from its predecessor, the most notable being the 13.9-inch full-view display that is said to be near borderless and has a 91% screen-to-body ratio. It features a 3000 by 2000 pixel resolution, which translates to a density of 260 pixels per inch, and offers 100% sRGB color gamut, 450 nits maximum brightness, and 1500 to 1 contrast ratio. The display is not to be underestimated as it's also touch-enabled, and it recognizes up to 10 touch points at a single time. Covering the laptop's display is an ultra-thin Corning Gorilla Glass protection with an anti-fingerprint coating, so there would be less worry in navigating on the screen. The Matebook X Pro is built with an 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 chip, NVIDIA GeForce MX150 GPU, or Intel UHD Graphics 620, up to 16GB of RAM, and up to 256GB of solid-state drive storage. Despite what seems to be very high-performance hardware tucked inside the laptop, it runs in a fanless design. As such, Huawei claims that the Matebook X Pro can boot up and log into Windows in only 7.8 seconds when you press its one-touch button. Audio for the laptop is powered by Dolby's Atmos sound system, which aims to give sounds a more spatial three-dimensional effect for an immersive experience. It features 4 microphones that can capture audio from up to 4 feet away and supports remote intelligent voice interactions and Microsoft Translator for multiple users. There's also a 1-megapixel recessed camera that's neatly tucked under the F6 key. Huawei also touts that the Matebook X Pro can last up to 12 hours in video playback with a 57.4 watt-hour battery tucked inside a 14mm thin body. The thinness of the device also posed some challenges as the laptop only offers 2 USB Type-C ports and a lone USB Type-A port. The Matebook X is a premium notebook measuring 14.6mm thick and weighs in at 1.3 kilograms. With a set design and features, it will appeal to users who prefer a laptop with capable performance, yet easy to carry around. The Huawei Matebook X Pro will be available in select markets starting the second quarter of the year, with configuration starting at €1,499 or roughly 96,000 pesos.